Hi everyone, you're watching Feeding Right and I am Simran Arora. Today we are in conversation with a very reputed pediatrician. She is my child's pediatrician for sure and I would fondly recommend her to every mother out there. So, about her. She's got 30 years of experience under her belt. She's an MBBS and holds an MD in pediatrics. She's a gold medalist from Bombay University. And if that's not all, she is a child specialist and a pediatric pulmonologist. Dr. Indu Khosla. Thank you, doctor, for removing time for our viewers. It's very important that in today's era, this information reaches out to as many viewers as possible. So we're covering 3 different topics with Dr. Indu Khosla. They're in 3 different videos. You can watch them in different parts whenever you have the time. The first question or the first topic that we're talking about is the importance of breastfeeding. A lot of mothers in my network these days are questioning whether they should give breast milk to their babies because breastfeeding is tough initially. But trust me, it is the most beautiful bond that you and your baby can ever share. Let's hear it from a doctor as to what are the pros and cons of breastfeeding and why does WHO recommend it so strongly, at least in the first 6 months. So Dr. Indu, over to you. Importance of breastfeeding.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Indu Khosla. I'm a pediatric pulmonologist at Leelavati Hospital and the SRCC Hospital for Children. And I also run my own hospital at Andheri, which is a 25-bedded pediatric hospital. So if I were to talk on the advantages of breastfeeding, it would start just now and probably not even end till tomorrow. Okay? Something which nature gives you, something which is so bountiful. Now we have realized what nature can give us in this COVID pandemic. And what if we do to destroy nature, or how it can get back onto us, right? So nature has given us breast milk, and nothing can be better than what nature provides us, right? Let me divide the advantages of breastfeeding to the mother and to the baby. Let me first quickly recap what it does to the mother. First of all, it bonds the baby with the mother, right? Secondly, it causes involution of the uterus. The uterus, once you breastfeed, there's a release of a hormone called as oxytocin. It starts contracting the uterus and pushes it down into the pelvis, so it gets back your figure. Thirdly, it reduces the risk of breast cancer. Fourthly, it reduces the risk of postpartum depression. So the advantages for the mother are endless. Okay. Now let's look at advantages of the baby. Ideal nutrition at ideal temperature, free from infection, bonding to the baby to the mother, improving the child's intelligence because the proteins that are there in the breast milk are ideal for increasing the intelligence, alright? And it also gives you antibodies. So the breast milk has got IgA, which again protects the baby from lot of infections, alright? So the correct nutrient available in surplus at the correct time whenever the baby requires. You don't need to get up to heat or to kind of sterilize or something like that. So it's always there for the baby. So it's the ideal nutrition giving at the correct time. Good vision. Certain elements in the breast milk like DHA, omega acids, omega-3 fatty acids, all this help in brain development, and certain proteins help in brain development. It's well known that babies who are exclusively breastfed have better brains because of the stimulation or because of these proteins. Then it reduces the risk of allergies. If the babies who are not breastfed have a higher risk of allergies. In families where there's history of asthma and allergy, breastfeeding definitely works as a protectant to these babies. So you must breastfeed the babies to prevent allergies. Good nutrition in the baby, good weight gain, prevention of infection, even secondarily because of good nutrition. So all these are advantages of breast milk and they're just kind of endless. So I think there is no substitute to breast milk. The only time when I say okay, you should not breastfeed is if mom is on drugs which pass through the breast milk and can cause problem to the baby, or if the mom doesn't have lactation unfortunately. Otherwise, breast milk is the best for the babies.
So Dr. Indu Khosla actually called breast milk gold. It is gold for your babies. Please give it to your children. It is tough initially, but later on it becomes really easy, and it is one of the most beautiful bonds that you will ever share with your child. Please send us if you have any other questions on the importance of breastfeeding. Well, on how to breastfeed, we will soon have a lactation specialist on board who will be sharing their opinion with us. I hope you found this advice useful. Thank you so much, Dr. Indu, for your advice. I'm very grateful, Dr. Indu, that you removed time for our viewers. Thank you so much. And if you have any other questions that you wish to ask Dr. Indu, please feel free to write back to us on healthfeedingrite@gmail.com or leave a comment or a post on Facebook or Instagram handles. Well, do remember to like, share, subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Thank you so much and enjoy the monsoons.